We need more power.
Okay, so what happened is we went down to GM, insert clip here, or here, and we found this. This is the back of the sign.
So we found this. So I'm gonna put the clip in right now of us finding this.
There's fuse boxes and letters everywhere.
Okay, so basically what we're doing with this is we're throwing it on the floor. No. We're gonna grind this shit down. It says what did it say? Non-hazardous wet location. So the sandblaster's broken. I like your apron. That's good looking. And so we're just gonna fucking grind it for now, I guess. Get all this shit off.
We made a hot, sticky, dusty, toxic mess.
Yeah, we made the mistake of trying to grind it, and now there's glue dust everywhere. It's probably like 1980s hazardous glue. So yeah, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna sandblast it. That was clearly a mistake.
Yeah.
Open up the bay doors. Oh, there's a man in there. He's just hanging out. Ladies and gentlemen, we got our nice tub filling up here with water. Where we're going to be soaking this piece of plastic. And then we have our metal right here, which is all nice and grinded. Ground it all down. And then I believe, I'm not sure what color we're going to paint it yet, but I'm going to start painting it tonight for sure. Using this nice camouflage color, I think that's going to be the next best thing. We just put our first coat on. We're gonna be doing our second coat very soon. Alright, we have this piece all nice and painted. This is also nice and clean. We're about to put this together and it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be real nice. That is way too satisfying. Oh my gosh. I don't know why. It's like Jello. Alrighty. We're making progress. And this is the finished product. A little bit pissed. I don't know what happened, but somehow this plastic reacted with the adhesive I put on it and totally fucking shriveled up for whatever reason. I don't know, but I'm pretty mad. That's completely ruined now. And it looks terrible. It was gonna be nice, but it's not. So, waste of time, waste of effort. Quite a shame.